Hi. Loading the file. A short circuit occurred on the first line, in phase B. The trip occurred quickly. It could be the first zone of distance protection or the first step of overcurrent ground protection. As you can see, the recorder doesn't write the zero sequence current, so I'll start analysis by calculating it. Just in case, I'll check the direction of the zero sequence power on the vector diagram. I choose zero sequence current and voltage channels. I'm making the zero sequence voltage as the base channel. Short circuit on the first line. I'll make the phase A voltage as the base channel. I'm going to the Protection tab. This block is for Siprotec devices. In Ukraine, we use quadrilateral directional zones. We have 5 zones here: Zone Z1B, a calculator for the short circuit impedance and the load encroachment. I'll enter the settings for the first zone. The angle alpha in this case is equal to 0, it can be omitted. I'm choosing a short circuit loop. Increasing the characteristics and changing the grid step. I'll set the color. I'm adding a calculator. In Ukraine, the compensation coefficient for zero sequence currents is usually set in the form of Kr and Kx. You can enter values into the calculator, copy by double-clicking from the main window of the comtrade file viewer, or link the channels of the file and the calculator. This is what I will do. I'm removing the vector diagram and turning on the display of protection characteristics. As you can see, the short circuit impedance falls into the first zone. The characteristic can be saved as a JPG file. Here on the left there are labels of what is displayed. The calculator has one feature. In order to explain it, I will upload a comtrade file from another device. This is 7SA522. Short circuit on the 330 kilovolts line. Here the zero sequence current is written by the device itself, but I'll still do the calculation. I'm turning on the vector diagram and adding the recorded and calculated zero sequence currents there. As you can see, they are opposite. I will relink the calculator and the channels of the file. To begin with, I will take the zero sequence current recorded by the device. In order for the correct calculations with files from Siemens devices, we have a zero sequence current inversion button. I've already pressed it here. Thank you for watching. Peace for everyone.